I know this road forward and backward like the back of my hand. Mount Washington's been around since 1903. No holds bar, no speed limits, no guardrails, big exposure, big rocks, big trees. It's pretty much the craziest thing ever.
Airslayer WRX STI.
And I'm ready to put in a good run. I think really the pressure is how much can we beat the record by? And I don't know that we can, but I felt like I left a little on the table last time. This year, we have the Airslayer, the most powerful, the widest body, most stable stance vehicle that Subaru Motorsports USA has ever made. And the thing that I don't want is when I'm done racing is for that next hot shoe to come out and beat the time by 10 seconds to be like, it wasn't very good. Let's be fair, this Airslayer is absolutely, it's amazing. And I want to set down a time that shows how great this car is for years to come. It's not about beating the record, it's about setting a time with what I feel is the best car I've ever had a chance to drive, up one of the most challenging hills I've ever driven.
Awesome ride, guys. This was amazing. All the boys down there, tell them a hell of a job. Whoever's on me today.
Man, what a great run. This car is amazing. Woo!